Thanks for booking your installation with Speedy Towbars. You will receive a confirmation text message and email the business day prior to your booking to confirm the start time for your installation. Our technicians travel to multiple customer sites to complete their work on any given day, so we do ask for your flexibility and understanding regarding the timing of your booking. Preparing for your installation. Our technicians' vans are fully equipped. As such, no power, compressed air, water, vehicle jacks or ramps are required. Please make sure your vehicle is parked and ready for our technician to work on. For safety, please have the vehicle parked away from traffic, preferably with enough room for all doors to be opened, and have our van parked close by. Please also keep in mind that we live in sunny Queensland, so if possible, supply a shady spot for our technician to work in. They will really appreciate it. Additionally, if it is raining, our technician will require cover. If rain cover is not available and it's raining on the day of installation, please call our office to discuss. Our technicians often need access to your boot. Please make sure it's empty and the vehicle cleared of any valuables. The vehicle's keys will be required to complete the work. Please have the keys available for our technician upon their arrival. Our technicians have been instructed to take the utmost care while working at our customers' homes. However, simply as a precaution, please remove any items that may obstruct the technician. We prefer the vehicle owner or an adult representative be present at the time of installation. Our technicians will install parts in the most suitable location. We take no responsibility in the event the vehicle owner is not present at time of installation and parts are installed in a different location than expected. Your installation. If we are installing a tow bar, please make sure you know what trailer plug you need installed. This is normally either 7-pin flat or 7-pin small round, but can also be a 7 large round or 12-pin. If we are installing a 12-pin plug, please be sure to provide either a picture of the trailer's 12-pin plug or a diagram of how your trailer is wired so we can wire your vehicle's 12-pin plug to match. Please note that we can only confirm costing of your 12-pin plug once we have received this information from you. Pets. Please make sure pets are secured away from the area where our technician will be working. We've had cats end up in the back of our vans hitching a ride to the next job, horses that chased and bit our team, and a mischievous goat who ate our instructions. Funny, but not always fun. Payments. Speedy technicians will accept payment on completion of your installation via cash, EFTPOS, credit card, Zip Money and Afterpay. We will then email you a copy of the tax invoice. Our guarantee. Our conscientious team always strives to deliver outstanding results. In the rare occurrence that an issue arises, rest assured that if this happens to you, you will be given top priority to solve the problem.